Hi friends, we can add separators between two widgets. We can add them vertically or even horizontally. So sometime we may get data from a database and we are not sure how many rows of data will come. So we can dynamically add separators between the rows, or we can add between the columns also, or in total we can provide a grid system to place our data. So we'll prepare this script. But before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we are posting the videos, and we are frequently posting that also. Let's start the script. We'll start from here. So this is our Tkinter, import Tkinter, then parent window my_w, then the width and height we are setting, then the title, then main loop to hold our program, not to allow it to close. But separator is a part of a TTK, so we have to import that. So from Tkinter import TTK. So this is what we will be using it. So before we move, let's just use a higher font size. Font 1 I am using. So a list I had to prepare. So I'll give you the first font family times size I am giving 32. A bigger font I am using. What you will do, we'll place two labels, bigger font size, and then in between we'll place our separator. So what should be the style is normal. You can italic, bold, anything you can do that. So let's first one, we'll prepare a label lb1 equal to tk dot label. Now my_w, this is my parent window. Now what should I write the text? So let's write a big line of text. I'll just okay, label 1 I am mentioning here, label 1, then I am giving a line break here. So this line break, because this will be second line, it will take it at top side. Now slightly height I am giving, height equal to 3 because label, so 1 2 3 rows, let it be that height is 3. Width will be 15 I am giving. Background slightly prominently it should visible, so BG is equal to yellow. Background color I am giving BG or background, anything I can use it. So font, what should be the font? Whatever I have declared at the top, just above line number 7, I am connecting to that font 1. So now this is fine. Let me place it on a grid. So on the grid it is the first row, so I am saying row equal to 1, then column equal to again 1. Slightly I am giving a pad x, means not flushing with the left edge, so pad x equal to 20, then pad y. From the top also I am giving 20 gap. So now my first label is ready. Just we will see how this looks with one label. Here it is, label 1 at the top side. We have intentionally kept a bigger size font. So and we'll place the separator below that, then the second label. So you can understand how it works. Let's just close this. Let's add the separator now, then we'll go for our label 2. So sp1 or separator 1 equal to ttk, it's a part of ttk, so I am saying separator. Here it is, separator. Now where it should be, my_w, my parent window. Now there is a orientation, it can take two values only, horizontal or vertical. So orient, now let me give it horizontal. Fine, is over. Now let me place it on a grid. Now sp1 dot grid row equal to 2, because below the first label is row 1, so below that we are placing it row 2. Column equal to 1, so same along with, but here stick I are giving it equal to east and west, so it should spread the full width available, so that entire line will be there. Let's run this and see once. Here it is, you can see the separator extended, and this is the top label what you have placed it. If you see this if you are not using, let me just remove this, save it and run. This is not visible, it is there somewhere here, but it's not visible because it has to be extended. It's a single line. One more thing we can do is we'll add a style to this. Let me place this here. Okay, we'll have this. I will add a style configuration for this. So s equal to ttk dot style. So this I am again configuring s dot configure. What I am configuring, I am saying t separator. Now I will say background equal to, let's say, red. Fine. So this will be visible properly because red color will come. Let's just see. Yeah, you can see it here, the red color has come. If I remove this also, this will because it will be 1 pixel only. Let's just run this and see. It is you can see it here. I don't know whether you are able to see it. It is available here at the center. So what as that why are doing is we are just extending it, we are stretching it to south and west. So in this grid layout, if you are using a different layout pack or place, then you have to accordingly adjust it. So let's run this and see. Yeah, now what you will do is we'll go below that, one more will place it label, so that will complete our horizontal placing. Let's just place it here. So label 2, not 1, label 2 here. First I will change the here it is column 2 I should have given. Okay, it has taken it there. Now 3. Now here I will slightly change the text also at top side nahi hai, bottom side. Fine, everything should be all right. Let's just run this. We have a top and a bottom. So let's run this and see. Sorry, it has gone to row. Oh, it is row 2 I have given. Row 2, fine. It should be below this. So row 3 I have to give. Row 3. Oh, sorry. I did a mistake here. Column 1 and here. All are in one column. Row 1, row 2, row 3. Row 2 is our separator. So that's why, because we have gone for a horizontal one. Here it is. So you can see this label 1 at the top. Here it is, then separator, then the label 2. So this separator we have used a horizontal one. Let's use a vertical one. So this I am changing to vertical. So this orient can take two values, horizontal or vertical. Now since it is vertical, let me just change the rows and columns here. Here row is same row I am pressing to the right of the first label, and column is here 2. Because to the right of the first label. Similarly, the third label will have the same row. So row is 1, column equal to 3. Let me save it here. The change will be not east to west. Let's see, east to west it won't work because now we have to give it vertically means north and south. Let's just see how it looks. Yeah, you can see it it is as a dot it is appearing. But why my width and 550, 440, okay, label 1. Now row 1, column 2, it is here. Here I have to give north and south because vertically it should come. So, and similarly, let me this pad X also I have to reduce a bit because that way I cannot, or otherwise I could have improved my width also. Let's see, I have just reduced the pad X. Let's see how this looks. Here it is. You can see the second it has gone out because I have to reduce it a bit. So for that pad X 20. Now here is no pad X. Pad X equal to 10. So pad X 10. Pad X 10 here. Pad Y. Now, or I will increase this. Let's say I'll put it 650 or 40. Let me just check this. Yeah. Furthermore, I have to go. Let me put it 800. Fine. So you can see the vertical one took the thing. I have two labels in between it is there. See this window. This window is created by taking the data from a two-dimensional list. In this list, the data is taken from this list can be prepared by taking data from a data source or database or Excel or from any other data source. So these are dynamically created. We are not sure how many rows of data will come, how many columns will come. So for that, we have to create our separators dynamically along with the rows of data. So for that, we are creating separators in row wise and column wise dynamically. So this part we will see in our next. So practice this, then we will try to learn how dynamically we will create. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any doubts, suggestions or questions, use the comment section below to post it. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Please share this video with your friends, and thank you for watching.